like to introduce to you our visualizer. So I'll give you a quick rundown of the features before I can move on to the software. So it comes with an 8 megapixel sensor. It has control functions on the unit itself, and it has HDMI in and out, also VGA in and out, also 2 USB ports. Also, you can, it comes with onboard storage, so you can work on it as a single unit without the use of your laptop or any other device. So I'll just go on now to speak about the software. So this is like the interface of the software. So I'll go on to switch on the light to make it visually to be easily seen. So coming from my left going to my right, I'll just go through the features of the software. So the first option is to drag and drop. So you can just align and move your presentation that you'll be trying to magnify. Also you have the next options are the different types of pens. So these are different colors and different thickness. So this is black and this is red, and you can use this to annotate on the presentation that you'll be working on. You can also put shapes. Let's say if you're trying to highlight on what you'll be doing, you can also easily you can put solid shapes or non-solid shapes depending on what you'll be working on. You can also erase what you'd have previously drawn. So if I don't want this anymore, I can just easily remove it. Or I can just use the delete option, which will delete everything that will be on the screen. I can also change the thickness of the pen that I'll be using. So there are different options. You can also change the different options that you have to draw. So if I want to use arrows, so I can just go on pen, select the arrow. So let's say I want to make my students focus on this only, so I can easily do so using the arrows. And I can change the pen colors on this option, and I can change the transparency of the pen. I can use this option to save. So if I click on save, it will show this side. So save, it will show like that. Then I'll move on to the bottom part of the software. So the first option is to show you the settings of the software. So you can change the brightness, you can make it higher, lower, position it according to how you want it to look like. You can zoom in or zoom out on a presentation that you'll be working on. You can make it maximize and make it fit 1:1. So I can just position it according to how I want it to look like. I can also change the resolution, and maximum output can be 4K. I can also rotate what I'll be working on. So if it's not properly positioned, for example, if it's like this, I can rotate to up to a certain way that I want it to look. I can also take a picture from here and it will save. I can also record on the screen, and I can also maximize the screen or shut down the software from this. Apart from using the software, you can use this unit as an individual unit. So I'll just connect and show you how this would look like in a classroom setup. So now the unit is connected on its own, so I can just position it, and I can either use the remote or the device button options. So I can change the brightness, make it brighter, or make it dimmer. I can also zoom out and also zoom in. I can rotate from this. I can take a picture and it will indicate on top. I can also record, so it will indicate that it's recording on the screen, and it has a mic, so like what I'm talking about will be recorded onto the unit, and this saves it to the device itself. So I can stop the recording, and I can also control this from here. I can like rotate. So I'll show you like how the information where it's saved. So to show you where the information is saved, I'll just close this. Then you have to long press on the unit so that you can access the storage, and it will indicate. So the picture that I took is this one, and also the video that I recorded. So this was being saved onto the unit. So like